Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can use the average function in Excel. So what we have here is some tickets. So we have section 1, section 2, section 3, and we have the prices of the tickets. So what I'm going to do is now calculate the average of these three different sections in terms of the price of the tickets. So what the average function will do is it will total this up, and then it will essentially divide it by the number of values that we've got. So this for this it will be 3. So what I'm going to do is do equals and then average, and then select my 3 prices, and there we have £98 as the average for the prices for these particular tickets for this particular event or whatever it might be. Another way that you can use the average function that might be useful day to day is for your bills. So here we have the first 4 months of the year, so January to April, and we have how much the bills cost for those 4 months. And what I'm going to do is calculate the average in terms of what has been spent on the bills. So I'll just do equals again, and then simply average, select the 4 values, and in terms of our bills for the first 4 months, we've got an average of £583. So yeah, it's a very useful function when you want to calculate that average, and if it's for bills in particular, work out how much money you'll need roughly for your bills. And yeah, just a very useful function in general. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.